Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get back TikTok on your iPhone. So I'm provide 100% solution. So open Safari browser and go to search option, search it to TikTok, login, click on to login. When I'm try to login, then I'm get this option, click on. So look here, showing it to this option, app not available. So I'm provide solution. So you need to just change two settings. I hope you just change two setting, you get 100% back your TikTok apps and provide proof. So don't skip my video. Click on to profile, click on change country or region. I'm change my country, United States, to select any country. So you just select any country without USA or UK. So like I'm select France. So this is the important things. Just select, no option, no select, three options, just select and you just fill up all. So you just copy my address same to same and press on next. Okay, and click on again. Now I'm check. So look here, now successfully changed my country United States to France is the first step. And the second step, so I'm still now using United States Wi-Fi, so change this. So go to search option, search set to VPN. When you search VPN, then you get this VPN. So this is a totally free VPN and 100% safe, so don't upset. Just press on to open. I'm already download, so select area. So like I'm select Canada. Okay, now connect my VPN. So now successfully connect and App Store again open and just search it to TikTok. Okay, look here, now I'm finally get TikTok apps and just press on to download. So look here, now successfully downloading TikTok. So when complete TikTok, then you can easily use TikTok without any hassle. Or if you have any question, let me know my comment box.